Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer from J Stern Designs, and I want to tell you about a fun class I'm going to be teaching at the virtual Houston Quilt Festival in June. The festival is from June 16th to June 18th, 2022, and I am teaching the Great Rub-Off on the 17th from noon to 1:30 p.m. During this 90-minute masterclass, I'm going to show you how to create a copy of your favorite garment that you have hanging in your closet. I'm sure everybody has something that they wish they had more than one of, or maybe you made a stain on your favorite t-shirt and you'd like to create a new one. I'm going to show you how. There are two methods to rubbing off a garment. If you're working with something simple that doesn't have any interior design details like armholes or style lines, you can use the trace method. So we're going to start with that, and you can see here I have two tank tops that look like twins, and that's because I rubbed off the one on the left, used the pattern pieces that I created to sew up the one on the right. So after we do the tracing version, I'm going to show you how to rub off things where we want to capture internal details. This method is the muslin or patternese method, where we're actually going to rub the details or trace the details from the top of the garment. It's like these dresses. This is a princess seam dress. The one with the gray and black fabric is the original, and the one with the little polka dotty stripes is the one that I created from my rubbed off pattern. Or here's a t-shirt. The one that's magenta and black is the original, and the one that's white with blue stripes is my test copy of that, and it came out really almost identical to the original. I hope you can join me for this class. It's really one of my favorites. There will be a link in the description below to register and get more information. I hope you enjoyed this little preview of the Great Rub-Off during the virtual Houston Quilt Festival, June 16th to 18th, and I really hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.